Hi guys. In this video you are going to learn how to look up data and get subtotals from a large data collection. So I will show you how to get this summary of sales from these sales details. Let's get to work. Here I have the sales details, relevant to 5 products which are to be used to summarize for analyzing, and here I have empty table format for summarized data. First we will see how to get the required summary for this table format. So we have to get the total sales relevant to each product, and in order to do that select the cell and type =, then SUMIF. As you can see there are 3 arguments to complete. First argument is the data range, which includes the hour variable relevant to the summation we are going to end up with. So go to the sales details sheet and select this whole data range, and then select the variable we want to use for the filtering. Then here comes the final argument, which is the data range holding the values we need to filter and get the summation. So select this whole data range and hit enter. As you can see we have the total number of sales relevant to the product A. So we can copy this equation and paste into these cells, but prior to do that we have to modify our formula since all the data ranges are entered as dynamic references. So select the cell and go to formula bar and select the first data range and set it as absolute reference by pressing F4, and then go to the second data reference and set it as absolute reference as well. So now we can copy the formula and get the required data. Now, we have to get the summary for amount also. Only difference we are having from previous formula is the data range relevant to summation. We can copy previous formula and edit the sum range. Just go to sales detail sheet and select the amount data range. Now we have required formula for amount column. Just copy the formula and paste it into other cells after modifying the formula with necessary modifications for data range references. Now we have completed summary table A. In order to get the data for summary table B, we will have to use SUMIFS since we have to get the summary relative to 2 variables. If we need to get summation against 2 or more variables, then we can use SUMIFS formula. Select the cell and enter SUMIFS, and we can see that there are multiple arguments. In this function we have to enter the data range relevant to the sum range. So go to sales details sheet and select this data range since table B is only for amount of sales. Now we can enter the data range which include our variables and then enter first variable. Then we can repeat the same for second variable also and hit enter. As you can see we have the amount of sales relevant to product A and sales done on Sundays. Before we copy this formula to other cells, we have to anchor the reference accordingly, and after anchoring, we can copy the formula to all cells. As you can see we have the required summary. This concludes the video about conditional sum formula in Excel. Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.